So guys, I'm walking into nowhere. No dogs because they might poop on the sign. Okay, that's weird. Okay. Today's video is, do you know how we were looking at boats? Today we're looking at expensive boats. This is the bridge we were on. Look at all these boats. Well, I'm going to show you the most expensive boats. All right. Here's a full moon. Okay. Probably go for like 49 grand, like $50 maybe. Yo. Okay, these boats are insane. Literally insane. Full moon. Okay, I should stop doing that. Full moon. Okay, that boat. Rocking down where all the boats are. This boat probably go for like 59,000. Helicopter would go for like 95,000. Yeah, that's dumb. Huh. This is probably only like 15,000 maybe, I don't know. Okay, this little boat is awesome. So it'll probably go like $500. And that house would be like 50,000. Wait, that's not a house. No, that's a dinner place. Shoot. Wait. Yo, why didn't you have a bag? I got a sack of potatoes yesterday. Shoot. Somebody's chasing me with a sack of potatoes. I got a sack of, oh, my shoe. I'm running still. Oh, both my shoes. I'm still running though. This is why you never run away from your parents, even though they're right next to you. Oh, God. I think I lost him. I'm going to go get my shoes now. He doesn't want to, he knows I'm running. Oh, shoot. I lost my shoes. Oh, shoot, I lost something else. Got an extra crayon back. And my shoes. I got my shoes all the way over here. Ow, puppies. Leave a comment if you don't like pokies in your foot. Oh my God, he's coming again. I hate this guy. Whoever his name is. Can you stop? Oh my God. This is my sister and his boyfriend. Hi. You should like and subscribe. Bye.